Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to remind you of an upcoming challenge that Irene Huff's Doll Space and I are co-hosting to make this outfit for a 14-inch doll. This is Jelly Bean Soup Designs, and you can buy this pattern online. One thing Irene and I both noticed, and, 14-inch dolls, that covers a lot, and that's what it says. 14, actually says 14 and a half, 15-inch dolls, such as Welly Wishers, Ruby Red's Fashion Friends. That's what it says in the pattern. I know this shows with buttons. I kind of like it without. I kind of like it like this. One thing we noticed is the bodice, and we both cut to size, is a little tight. So when I make this again for the collab, I'm going to make this wider in the back. The front seems okay. Now, I like a V-neck, so that doesn't bother me. But the back is a little open. One other thing about the pattern, and I never try to discourage anyone, but if you are a beginner sewer, you might want to leave these ruffles, sleeves off of your outfit. I sewed each sleeve in separately. I put the ruffle in first, and then I added the other arm before I sewed up my side seam. It worked out great, and if you take your time, you won't have any problems. It is a little different pattern, but I wouldn't call it hard. It's really cute made up, and I really like it. We hope you will join us. That is for July 27th, so you still have time to get your pattern and your fabrics and decide what doll you're going to dress and join in with us. Thank you so much, Irene. If you haven't seen Irene's channel, I'll have a link below. I have actually met Irene in St. Louis, Missouri at the doll show there. We had a meetup. Irene wasn't able to come to the meetup, but we all got to meet her at the doll show. She is such a sweetheart. I mean, you can't help but like Irene. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.